Portland cement have many application in all concrete crafts. Regarding its smoothness and incredibly versatile since you can add different types of aggregate and different ratios. You can make amazing fish design crafts for your home, keeping it as a decorative equipment as shown. While concrete pots are extremely sturdy, versatile and well insulated, they can cause the soil to dry out faster than other types of pots. Having a porous material is a benefit to plants as it helps control overwatering. Concrete really is the best choice of material for a planter. Mix cement and water, pour cement into selected dye, let the cement dry, so remove it from dye and keep it upon one another to make plant pot as shown.